My name's Elena Hernandez, and I'm a senior. I'm a double communication studies major with public relations as well, and I also have a journalism minor. I did an online remote internship with Biz3 Publicity. So at Biz3 Publicity, I've been doing a lot of work with rising artists, working with the publicists, like press releases, and that kind of thing that we learn in class here at Monmouth. After taking the vocation discernment class with Lori Walters, I felt very prepared for my internship experience because we did work on resume, we created LinkedIn, like a portfolio type of thing. So when I was submitting my application to Biz3, I knew how to prioritize the information. I felt prepared because I had a mock interview and we did a lot of preparation towards those kind of things in that class. So this internship experience and the classes that I've taken have definitely prepared me for success. I feel ready to go out into the real world. I just look forward to where my preparation here will take me in the future.